How to check saved drafts on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on What's on Your Mind at the top. In here, you'll be able to find your status draft. Also, you can save it from here by clicking on Back option and then click on Save as Draft. Click on plus button at the top, which is on the right side. After you click on it, you'll find all these options. Click on Reel. And at the top, you'll find Drafts. Simply click on Drafts and you'll be able to find your draft reels. You can also do with other options, but you won't be able to add story drafts on Facebook. As you can see, if you click on your story, there is no draft option. But what you can do is, after you have added photo to your messenger story, click on settings icon at the bottom left. Click on discard story. After you click on discard story, you will find save option. Simply save it and it will save in your gallery instead of Facebook. After that, if you want to upload it, you can simply upload it from your Facebook gallery. This is how to check saved drafts on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you.